meditation is the way we become greater and greater. So that's why India is the land of meditation. We have to clean our own streets, we have to clean our own cities, and we have to clean our own bodies, and also we have to clean our own mind. Who will clean our mind? Yesterday's newspaper is today's best paper. Today's newspaper is tomorrow's best paper. We throw the paper out, but we keep the matter inside the mind. So we get, over the years, so much garbage is here, muck and garbage in the mind. So how are you going to clean the muck and garbage in the mind? As the mind is, so the man is. As the mind is, so the body. If there is a lot of muck and garbage here, the whole body becomes muck and garbage, disease. And you go to hospital. If there is no muck and garbage here, and even if you go, they are not going to help you. They are going only to squeeze your money, they are not going to help you. Because the disease of the body is because of the mind. So they are not treating the mind. You can't treat the body. Body is only an effect. Mind is the source. You have to treat the source. You have to treat the mind. The mind is the source of the evils of the body or illnesses of the body. And the mind is the source of illnesses in the society. Diseases in the society. One of the diseases is throwing all the garbage on the road. What is the source? Because all minds are stupid. And we have to make the mind beautiful. Like a Buddha, like a Tirupati. How do you make it? How do you make your mind like a Tirupati? How do you make your mind like a Buddha? Tell me. What is the way? What did they do? They did meditation. Then what the hell are you doing? Why are you not doing meditation? Born in India, born in the land of Bandhavar, born in the land of Buddha, what the hell are we doing? Eating chicken and mutton and throwing the garbage on the road. So, asaivam சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, சைவம் மாத்திரம் சாப்பிட வேண்டும். சைவம் மற்றும் தியானம். Two things. Tomorrow or day after, you are going to vacate the body. When you go up, they will ask you, what have you done on this earth? If you don't show Saivam to them, if you don't show Dhyanam to them, if you don't show cleanliness to them, they will ask you to go back. Go and clean the earth again. Go and clean yourself again. Until the whole earth becomes a beautiful garden. Until every person becomes like a Tiruvallur. People have to come again. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi. See? You have to come back again. If you are not of quality. Already we have come so many times. How many more times you want to come back? Only when you become like a Buddha and Tiruvallur, you will not come back. You must become like a Buddha. How do you become a Buddha? Daily meditation. After 24 hours a day, here not 2-3 hours for making the mind empty, keeping the mind empty. Every house should have such pyramid rooms, meditation rooms. Every house. No puja, only meditation. Puja is LKG. Meditation is PG.
Yes.
PhD. So, how many janmas you will do LKG? LKG. A for apple, D for bat, C for cat. A for not apple, A for anapanasati. A for asana. A for apple. A for asana. Why you have A for apple? Why don't you have A for asana? B for breath, C for consciousness, D for death. The body has to die, but the soul does not die. And you are not the body, you are the soul. Body is like a cloth. Body is simply a cloth. You wear, it's gone. You are not the body. When will you understand that? Next lifetime or this lifetime? अगले जन्म में या इस जन्म में? तो क्या करें? ఏం చేయాలి మనం? ఈ జన్మలో మనల్ని మనం తెలుసుకోవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి మనం? అన్నపడం. ధ్యానం చేయవేండి. ధ్యానం ఒండే చేయవేండి. దినము ధ్యానం చేయవేండి. Right from the age of 5. From this age, you must do meditation. Not when you become old. Not when you become 70. No. Right from the age of 5, you must do meditation. Then you will become a Buddha in 40 days. Once you start meditation, in 40 days you will become like a Buddha. You will become like a Hanuman. Hanuman Chalisa means 40 days meditation is Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman means becoming one with the breath. Pavan Putra, Swasa Putra, Vayu Putra. What does that mean? Become one with the breath. And for 40 days, Chalisa means 40. What is that Lord Shiva doing in Himalaya, doing meditation? Why can't you do meditation in Chennai? For that you have to go to Himalaya? No way. You have to stay in your own room, in your own house. Close these eyes. Don't open these eyes. Close the mouth. No chanting of any mantras. Don't look at the word. Close the eyes. Remove the word from your mind. That is meditation. Remove all the mantras from your mouth. Remove all the word from your mind. And focus on your breath. You just observe everything. No Rama, no Krishna, no Shiva. You are the God. You are the God. Shivoham. Shivoham. This is what does that mean? We are the Shiva. Aham Brahmasmi. We are everything. So that is what is the knowledge. Aham Brahmasmi. We have to strengthen ourselves, not worship ourselves. I don't worship him. He did not worship me. Nobody should worship nobody. No Hanuman should worship Rama. No, Hanuman never worshipped Rama. He was a meditator right from the age of 2. When he became a Yogeshwar, then as friends they met. Rama did not teach anything to Hanuman. So my dear friends, remember this point. Hanuman is a great master of meditation right from the age of 2. His mother taught him everything. Anjana Devi is a great yogi. She taught everything to the boy. So every mother should become like Anjana Devi, and every mother should teach their children their words, meditation, like Anjana Devi. Then every child will become like Anjana Swami. That's what it is. You have no right to kill animals. You have no right to kill birds. You have no right to kill fish. That is more important. How can you kill? How can you kill? How can you drink the blood? And that is the source of all the sin. Stop sin. Convert yourself into Saivam. And do meditation. After 24 hours, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, you should close your eyes and observe everything. Then you get all the energy to do all the work. If you are chief minister, you should be Saivam plus Dhyanam plus chief minister. If you are prime minister, Saivam plus Dhyanam plus prime minister. If you are bus driver, Saivam plus Dhyanam plus bus driver. If you are a housewife, Saivam plus Dhyanam plus housewife. If you are a student, Saivam plus Dhyanam plus student. If you are a teacher, Saivam plus Dhyanam plus teacher. If you are an engineer, Saivam plus Dhyanam plus engineer. Everything. These are two must. Whatever you do, whoever you are, that's beside the point. That's good. But the compulsory things are Saivam, Matram, Dhyanam. That is compulsory. No optionals. Then everybody's mind will become beautiful. There will be no muck and garbage on the road. How can there be? A Buddha will never throw. A non-Buddha will grow. When you do meditation inside a pyramid, your meditation is twice more powerful. If you study inside a pyramid, your studies are twice more powerful. Okay, if you sleep inside a pyramid, your sleep is twice more powerful. Instead of sleep for 6 hours, 2 hours sleep. Instead of doing meditation for 3 hours, 1 hour meditation inside the pyramid is enough. So everywhere there should be pyramids. The pyramids are gifts from the whole cosmos to the earth space. The whole cosmos is governed by masters. Earth is a small village. And there are any number of villages in the galaxies. And there is a galactic government. That government has given Earth this pyramid energy with a certain angle. It's a gift from the cosmos. It's a gift from the intergalactic government. Intergalactic Federation. We are not isolated human beings. We are a part of the whole plan, whole scheme, whole Srishti, whole creation. And using the pyramid energy, you will enhance all your activities very in a more intensive way. Don't talk unnecessarily. Don't pollute the world with your idiotic voices, idiotic nonsense issuing from your mouth and issuing from your head. No thought pollution, no voice pollution. If you can sing, sing. Otherwise, keep quiet. If you can talk like a Buddha, then open your mouth. Otherwise, keep quiet. Only a Buddha has the right to speak. Open the mouth. Nobody else. Because nobody else knows what he is doing, what he is talking. He doesn't know anything. Then how can he talk? No way. You have to become a Buddha to be able to open your mouth and speak one word which is useful for you and useful for the whole society. There are only 2 words which are useful for the whole society. One is Saivam, another is Jnana. Thus, do whatever you want. Make this earth as beautiful as possible. But you make this earth ugly because of this. I can't kill him. He can't kill me. Similarly, I can't kill a fish. I can't kill a fish. Fish is Matsyavatara, God. Everything is God. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma. No way you can kill. And all educated people are having non-vegetarian hotels, 5-star hotels, non-vegetarian, veg and non-veg. Anyhow, pyramid masters all over the world are spreading the wonderful values called as Saivam and Jnana. Added to this, the pyramid energy and each one of you is responsible for the body. Each one of us is responsible for it. So before we go, we shall make this earth a beautiful planet, a heavenly planet, and then only we will live. That's our